When people talk about AI, they usually talk about the chatbot. But behind every chatbot is a giant machine that has to run the answer. That is where NVIDIA Dynamo comes in. NVIDIA describes Dynamo as open-source software for generative and agentic inference at scale. In plain English, inference is what happens when an AI model actually responds to you, runs an agent, writes code, summarizes a document, or powers an app. As AI agents become more common, the number of requests explodes. It is not just one answer anymore. An agent may search, plan, call tools, check results, and try again. That takes a lot of computing power. NVIDIA wants Dynamo to be part of the operating layer for these AI factories, the infrastructure that helps companies serve AI faster and more efficiently. For real folks, this matters because infrastructure affects cost and availability. If AI is expensive to run, you pay more or get limited access. If it gets cheaper and faster, AI features spread into more apps. The future of AI is not only about smarter models. It is about making those models run reliably for millions or billions of people.